Okay, that's it. We are going home now. Yeah, we are leaving this place now. We are now here in KFC. It's still here in the area of Newcastle, and this is what I am having. Yeah, 3 pieces of this chicken strips, and this chicken like a balls chicken, potato gravy, mashed potato gravy, and chips with the soft drinks. Good afternoon, guys. You know, whenever I'm getting out of this car and touching this, there is a little bit of electricity. I work from 6 o'clock and finish yeah, 2 o'clock. I have been here since 30 minutes. Yeah, I already sit down there because I basically stopped here because I charged my phone, and yeah, it's now again back to 7%. Yeah, this is how it is at the moment here. Beautiful sky. Yeah, if you remember in the previous 2 days, it was very cloudy and there was a little bit of rain. And now it's back to good. And I'm going home now. It is actually cold. I am wearing just a t-shirt. Okay, we are home. It is already 3:15. I'm going to prepare my meal. I actually have this that I cooked last night, so I will eat this one. And this is my meal. It is now already, yeah, I still need to count. Yeah, 4:35, and we are going out. Oh, I changed my mind. It is too cold outside. Actually, my plan is to just walk. Sunset will be later at 5 o'clock. So, by the time that I reach the marina area, already dark. Yeah, so I'm just going to edit some video. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, I just finished my duty and I drive and I get straight here. I was planning to go to the Tumar mountain and do the hike. Yeah, usually I'm doing it in the afternoon, like around 4 o'clock, but I feel like this is the best time after work. I did stop here because I saw some new things on that side. Not new, but something different. As I was driving, I noticed this thing. Yeah, it's kind of like a burn. Yeah, and it's actually all the way down there. So if you notice these trees, burn. Yeah, so maybe they are planning to do some kind of a viewing area or something, I don't know. Yeah, because like 2 months ago or 3 months ago, near to my workplace in the bushland uphill, they also did something like this. I mean, looks like something like this, burned trees. So maybe they have plan or fire prevention, like a fire drill. And down there, in case you don't know, is the snorkel parts or scuba diving, this area. Okay, we go back to the car. Oh, look at this. Yeah, there is a away here, going down to the rocks, yeah, to the scuba snorkeling area. And if you see that, there is actually the big ferry, yeah, full of tourists. And we are now here in the Shoal Bay, and yeah, I was just sitting here like this. I remember my Suzuki Jimny, that the only place where I can sit nicely is the front seat, the passenger seat. Yeah, but here I can sit like this, 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 any way I want. Amazing. Look at this. This is how it is outside. Yeah, it is sunny, no clouds, very nice. And yeah, even on this side it looks good. So basically we are here because I'm going to climb that mountain. That's the Tumari mountain or Tumari head. And this is a residential area, lots of houses and apartments in here. Yeah, the name of the place is Shoal Bay, and that is like the town center or the center of Shoal Bay. There are shops, hotels, restaurant, and GT. I am here because I am charging my phone. Yeah. I am at the moment chatting with John. Yeah, because John and Charlene and the baby, also with the mom of Charlene, they are in Singapore. They are recently coming from New Zealand, so they are on holiday. So basically we are remembering the previous time that we are in Singapore and we are broke. Yeah, if you remember, me and John, we went to Europe and then we went to Southeast Asia, and during the time that we are in Malaysia and in Singapore, yeah, we don't have money. We are actually borrowing money from our friends. Yeah, those were the days. And now he is in Singapore with Australian passport. Both of them, Charlene and John, and the baby also with the Australian passport. You know, every hardship that we experience is good story to tell now that we are in the good life. You know what I'm trying to say? And another thing that John is telling me is about the food in Singapore. Yeah, so basically the value of Australian dollar and Singaporean dollar is almost similar, but yeah, the food in Australia is so much expensive compared to the food in Singapore. So we've been here for 30 minutes and the battery of my phone is already 47. I'm going to eat apple. If I'm not mistaken, yeah, the houses in this area, I mean like that, worth $1 million. Yeah, for sure, especially that it is in front of the water. And look at this camper van. The name is Mighty Campers. Yeah, it's Toyota, but look at that, it has an extension, roof extension. Yeah, this time we are going to climb the mountain in a relaxed manner. It's not going to be like an exercise or you know, workout, but yeah, just relax, easy. Chefs usually are standing working like 8 hours. Like for myself, I was standing at work for 8 hours of working, walking, running, standing. Yeah, a lots of movements when I'm working in the kitchen. If you compare that to the other job, like office job, basically office jobs, you are sitting down for 8 hours, not very active for the body. And a person who is usually active, they don't get to have a big tummy, big belly. Yeah, like myself, I don't have big belly. I have just a normal belly. I think the reason why some people who are active, who is always standing, always walking, is maybe because of beer. Maybe they drink a lot of beer. Maybe after work they go to the pub, they drink beer. Or maybe when they get home, they go to the fridge and take a beer. That's probably the reason why some people, why some chefs have big tummy. Yeah, working in the kitchen is a good exercise. We are going to skip that one. Instead, we are going to the gun emplacement area. Yeah, let's see if there is also an improvements they made on that side. Yes, you can see there is that kind of structure and the picnic tables. Most of the people usually go to the top instead of going to the gun emplacement. We are now here in the gun emplacement. That's the one. There's one person, and yeah, this is the gun emplacement, and there's another one on that side. Oh, and look at this, there is actually a structure on that side. Yeah, you'll never see that if you are before that there is a trees in here. And actually there is this camera. Yeah, it's a camera, so it's a wildlife camera. So basically in the middle there was a cannon. Yeah, and pointing to the sea, pointing to the water. If there are enemies on the water, yeah, they're going to shoot them with the cannon. So maybe this area has full of ammunition, bullets, and then the cannon here, they say yeah, to the opponent there, to the ship over there. And if you remember, me and Drop, we go up there in the cliff. Dangerous. I'm not going to do it alone. Okay, we go now. I actually have water. Basically this place existed because in 1940 there was a war. Yeah, in 1940 Australia was at war. During wartime, steel is an essential commodity. The steelworks at Newcastle and the aerodrome at Williamtown had to be protected. An unguarded Port Stephens could provide an easy landing place for hostile forces and allow enemy ships to enter the natural harbor and proceed a considerable distance up the port. Yeah, that's the reason. I've seen already a lot of this flower along the way, but this is the most beautiful. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, beautiful. Nice. This coming spring, yeah, the flowers will be more beautiful. Yeah, plants and trees will be colorful. I am feeling lazy to go up there to the summit. Actually, we're going to that beach. The name is Scenic beach. We are now back down here. Lots of movements because there's a lot of birds. You know, even before that I was in the Philippines on my college days, yeah, I also walking, a lot of walking. I walk in the area of Makati City. Yeah, I walk in the area of Manila. The longest is from Quiapo, from Divisoria all the way to, what's that, Star City. Yeah, I was just walking. Even in Dubai, I used to walk from Burj Khalifa all the way to Discovery Garden. Yeah, especially during New Year's celebration, New Year's Eve, because during the time New Year's Eve, it is very traffic in the area of Dubai. Yeah, so getting out with the, you know, public with the service, with the bus, with our own bus, the company bus, yeah, it takes time. So we usually go to walk. Yeah, and I don't know if you can see it, but there are movements of people on the top, on the summit. And yeah, there's one guy. taking a picture. And that's it. We are going back now. I am sometimes tempted to buy a Apple Watch, yeah, to monitor my steps, but yeah, it's not necessary. Also, I don't wear a watch. I am surprised that the car park is actually not fully occupied. So there are 2 vacants here, and there are more vacants on that side. Usually this place is full of cars. The sun is setting to that side. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this tree is dying. I don't know if it is going to survive. Yeah, because this one is surviving. Nice. Oh, the sun is gone. We are now here near to my car, but we're not going to stop because we're going to have a look at those fishermen. Is 5:10. Yeah, this Shoal Bay Country Club is very busy during summer. Actually, it's also in the Friday and the weekends, because usually this is the nightlife place. They are again doing some improvements. So the sun is totally gone, and look at that horizon. Yeah, it's like a drawing actually. If you see it in person, looks like a drawing, like a painting. Very nice. I actually bring this Skyflakes crackers for me not to be tempted to buy from IGA. But this time I am really tempted to buy something. Yeah, like a pie. I'm tempted to buy a pie, a meat pie. But no, I'm going home and I'm going to eat rice. I'm not going to eat it. I'm going to eat rice instead.